What's up, everybody? I'm Sam Wallin. This is my bike check. You can find me on Instagram at Wallin_BMX. Alright, I got BSD WZA V2 frame in 20.6, and it's that peacock blue. I got matte black premium CK forks. Got some acid washed, clear coated graphics. Shout out to Reed Stark. I got Cult Salvation V2 stem, made in America. Hella beef. I got Shadow stack bearings, polish. Got these profile cranks. They're really old. Anybody wants to buy them, I'll sell them to you. I got this Cult drip seat. There's no logo anymore. My ass worn it off. Got this polished Demolition tripod seat post. Got this awesome red squirrel sprocket. Shout out to Squirrel. E-clap pedals. I run some Fireball in the front, and then some E-clap Ridgestone in the back. I got some new BSD Dan Paley pegs, the Rude tubes. This is fresh, slide well. Got a BSD backstreet hub, polished left-hand drive, male axle. Laced to a Sputnik forward rim, same with the front. Some DT Swiss Champion spokes. Front hub, E-clap tech with some S&M cymbal guards. And the back hub's got one cymbal and a plastic Primo drive side. And got these kind of shitty ODIs, Odyssey power ends, and a shadow chain, and that pretty much does it.
You're still